Okay, so here she is, guys, my HPI scale builder's kit. Everything is pretty much the same as it has been, except I got these new SSD 1.9 Assassin wheels on here, but still rocking Proline Super Swampers with stock Proline foam. It's actually handling pretty good now that the temperatures are warmer with that like memory foam stuff. And I did add this Racing steel bumper because I couldn't find that CRC bumper that comes on the deadbolt that I had to buy separate, because I fit that onto here, but I had stole it off the wife's truck and I needed to put it back on there for her. But yeah, that's about it. Everything else is the same that it has been. If you don't know, go back and watch some of my previous videos and you can learn more about the setup. So let's crawl some of these rocks. Woohoo! Well, I made it up the first part here. Whew, it is nice. It feels good. Feels good to be out making some crawl videos again. All my spots are up on this mountain here, and you can still see there's some snow. And if we look over here, there's even more snow, but it's melting. So it's nice to come back out and get these shots here up on these beautiful rocks. So I'm gonna keep on trucking along. Well, alright guys, that is going to be it for all the crawling in this video. Starting to get a little long here. Power Wagon's been doing great. My setup is great on it. The only thing is the power system. I'm still using that Traxxas system, so I got a couple things in mind. I don't know, what do you guys think? Should I go brushless or a good brush system? I've been thinking of a Holmes Hobby with one of those Tekin brushed only ESCs I see. It has a lot of availability, like tuning ability on it, but time you get that Bluetooth module I think that you need, it is a little pricey. But I don't know, I like the low startup speeds on a brush system, but then again, I haven't really ever run a censored brushless system either. I kind of like the price of a brush system, but then again, if I were to do the setup I want, it'd be I don't know, not much cheaper. I just want to put a high-end motor in something, and then I'll kind of see and gauge what I like. I don't know. You guys let me know in the comments what you think. Let me know what you think of this crawling spot. Let me know what you think of this scale builders kit. Does it look like a good truck to you guys? Personally, I've been running it. I've been grabbing it a lot, but mainly just because I'm trying to test it. But I do really like it, and it has a little soft spot in my heart because I built it from, you know, a box of parts. The only thing I don't like is I have to measure, but it does appear to be kind of a narrow stance. Not sure what that is, but if you compare it to like a SCX 10.2, the way the axles look, it looks kind of narrow. I haven't done any measuring yet, but I'll have to do that. I'm gonna do like a little shootout. I'm gonna use some of my trucks, the Bronco from Traxxas, this scale builders kit, and I will use my wife's SCX 10.2, as all it has is just upgraded links on it. Instead of the plastic links, I got incision stainless links on there, but stock electronics, and it actually has Traxxas tires on it. But what I'm gonna do is I'll probably just use these super swampers on all the trucks so the tires stay the same. I'm still in search of a place that's kind of like I don't know, calling it a battleground or something. I want to compare the trucks. I got some tennis balls I cut up, and I wanted to go out and just make some lines. So that's a lot of what I'm doing today. I'm driving, enjoying the sun, and just trying to scope out a place where I can start making some more consistent comparisons in the videos. That new Element truck is coming out, so I'm going to be picking that up in the near future, and I just want to keep testing these trucks and bringing the information to you guys and let you know what I think, and just let you guys know what's good with these crawlers. So yeah, I'm going to keep crawling and enjoying the rest of the day, but thanks for tuning into my video, guys. Really appreciate it. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit the like button, leave the comment, and as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out.